Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can allow anyone to access and fill your Google Forms. Alright, and on this view you are just going to select settings right here and make sure for the setting like this. For the responses you are just going to turn off all the option here, and for the presentation just solely to submit another response to turn on and another just turn out. So for this option 2, you just turn off, and you can try to fill your Google Form with the another Chrome. So just click send and send here the link, just copy and paste, and another Chrome. So I can fill my Google Form in another Chrome, in another Gmail, even if we don't log into Google Touch. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.